What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video here at Wicked Garage. You can see we have a Ford F550 with a flatbed and some toolboxes that we need to mount strategically to make it a modular setup. So before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and most of all, subscribe. Sorry it's been a while since I did a video, but just things been busy with that enclosed bed. And yeah, we're gonna focus on this one today and get this done because this is a rush job. Essentially, we got to make a platform that is able to lock into place but easily be able to unlock and then put a forklift up, pick it up with all the full toolbox pretty much, and put it on a job site or something like that, while also utilizing the ability to open it up on the side. So obviously if it's down, then he's got to pull this down and all that stuff. He doesn't want to do that. He wants it to sort of be useful while it's on here, and then obviously able to lock into place so it doesn't rattle around or anything. This will be obviously pretty heavy once it's all loaded with tools, but this is a really cool box. A lot of stuff coming out of Canada and Australia for uplanders, and you can see how it closes, and then it just goes there, opens up, and you got everything. You got a full top toolbox pretty much. So come along with this little job that we're doing. We're gonna try and get it done today, or at least get all of the steel and the design together. It shouldn't be that big of a deal to do this. We're going to mount it, take these out, mount it through the bottom, and pretty much make it like a skid toolbox. So hope you enjoy the video. Let's get into it. We are on the next day. Obviously we pulled the drawers out. We got the holes all drilled. We got the mounting holes on here drilled as well. Lift these up. You see we got 3 sets of 3. We'll put a strap, aluminum 1/4-inch strap on there. We have these for the outsides, and then we have the middle ones that don't have anything but they're drilled through. Just pretty much making feet for this to be able to mount and everything. I think what I'm gonna do next is I might put something in between, just to help with it, with the forklift going underneath it and lifting it up, especially when it has a heavier amount of weight on it. So I'm gonna see what I can do underneath there, because there is a bunch of rivets and stuff, but as long as I can get like 1 or 2 on there, I should be fine. But yeah, it's looking good. Everything is in place, and we're gonna get it tidied up in the next couple of hours, and we'll be done with this job, and then he'll be coming back for something else because this is such a tight weekend for him, and obviously it's Easter weekend, so the steel yard was closed, so we had to figure out what to do with that, and luckily I had this in my container as a leftover, so I had stock that was absolutely perfect for what we needed to do here, and allow it to work off and over this. So I hope you're enjoying the video. Stay tuned until the end. You can see a finished product, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. Alright guys, we are all done. Everything is installed. They look good. They work right. And yeah, so as you can see, we did 3 pieces of 4x6 box tube, 1/4 inch. We did 2x2 angle, and then there is a 1/4 inch by 6 inch piece going across to each tube, just to support it when he goes and lifts it up with the forklift and takes it off. Very easy to take off. Everything is right out in the open. So we have this. You don't even really need this, like a wrench on the top, because it is just a washer, a lock washer, and a nut. So it can come off pretty easy without too much hassle. I think this is going to be a little bit more time to undo and flip down than actually taking these boxes off or unbolting them. These are really nice boxes. Obviously they're expensive. They're made in Canada. They're an Uplander kind of box, all out of aluminum. Really durable, really good quality. But yeah, this was a sort of like a rush job. I ended up going up to my steel yard, not realizing it's Good Friday. That's why I scheduled them for Friday, because then we can get it in and obviously done. But you can see now he has the whole setup, toolboxes, they lock, they're secured down, and like I said, they're pretty nice. They the slides are all like top notch. Everything feels good. And yeah, you can see we bolted up through there just in case he decides to use the pockets as forks. You know, everybody has their own preference, but either way, he's good to go. He doesn't have to worry about pushing up on the box or anything, because now everything's supporting the underside of this, because this is a lot thinner than it looks. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little install video, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Thank you for watching.